Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your location on Grindr. Now, first of all, guys, I really apologize that I'm taking a video like this instead of a screen recording, but my hands are tied because when you screen record with the Grindr app, it turns your whole video black. So we have to get a little bit creative here. So when you open up the app, you probably on the browse section. If you are in interest here, perfect. You just click on Roam. Otherwise, if you're in browse, another way to do this is you come to the top left, click on your profile icon. There we go. Now I want you to go ahead and click on a Roam. Okay. Now let me go ahead and hide this for a little bit so you don't see my current location. So we have opened up the Roam app. Now you see the world map. There you go. So let's say I want to place myself here in Italy. All right. I will not try pronouncing this. I might butcher that. So I guess it's Righello Toscana. Correct me if I'm wrong, Italians. Now, all you need to do is click show my profile here. Now, remember, you have to pay for this, though. So if you want to do this for 1 hour, you have to pay about $6. So go ahead and change it. So you come here, click on continue, and you just go ahead and pay for it, okay? So that is how, guys, you can go ahead and change your location really that easy and simple.